2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbo supercharged, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.